Oh, we've got a beauty today. This is a flat top Corona Standard. This is a 1C series, and it's a 1940. And the black enamel paint is in stellar condition. There's teeny tiny mark right here, so small, and a tiny one here. But even if you look, even the logos, the decals are in excellent condition. So this is a fantastic machine. And if you can get your hands on something like this, I promise you, you're going to love it like forever. Love you forever, love you for always. As long as I'm living, my baby you'll be. Okay, moms, you know that one. Okay, let's take a look at this. So this Corona Standard does not have tab stops on it. But this one has the floating shift, so it doesn't lift up the carriage, which is so nice. It makes it a lot less chunky. To set your margins, you just drag, press and drag, okay? And that's your margin sets. I'm going to bring this in a little bit. Paper release, it's right here. Carriage release. I'm going a little bit quicker because I'm assuming if you're looking at a Corona Standard 1C, you probably know a little bit about typewriters. Here's where you adjust your line advance. Okay, I'm going to move it to the left, open up the top. All right, here you adjust the tension on your escapement. It determines how hard your strike bars hit. This has metal spools in it, so we've hand wound fresh ribbon on it. We've actually put considerable amount of ribbon, so this ribbon will last you a super long time. Remember to reverse the direction of the ribbon when you get to the end of the spool. And you should be able to reverse back and forth dozens of times. So I'm serious, this ribbon spool will last you probably, depending on how much, well, it just depends on how much you type. It should last you a long time. But when it is time to change it, you do just pull them out. Actually, you have to unscrew. Pull them out. You can send in the metal spools to us and we will re-roll them for you. Or if you know somewhere, you can also put in, I believe, universal ribbons. Just keep in mind and take a picture before you change them out up close so you can remember how to rethread it. But there's a guide wire here, and then make sure you get those threaded properly through this section right here. All right, let's go ahead and do some typing. Color selector. I'm going to put it on black. Ribbon reversal. Shift lock, margin release. Okay, let's go ahead and do some typing. Okay, let's go ahead and do our typing. And this is, again, a 1940, no lowercase, no number one, so you do lowercase l. 1940, oh, y'all, I think I'm going to have a come to Jesus moment, or not come to Jesus, but I'm going to have some hallelujah worship. This is nice. So I was actually going to keep this one for real, and my husband talked me out of it. Oh, I'm keeping a Royal 10 instead. But yikes, this is so nice. Okay, let's keep typing. And I'm afraid I'm going to talk myself into keeping this, but he already said no, so I always want to keep the really nice stuff. Of course, why shouldn't I, right? But there's a nice Royal 10 downstairs that in the shop that is types really well as well. So he convinced me to take that one instead. But oh, y'all, whoever gets this, you are so lucky. Oh, backspace. Caps lock or shift lock. Boy, I keep making mistakes today. Not the typewriter, just me. Okay, let's do the red. Margin release. Okay, you know what? These flat tops Coronas are stellar. And this one, I would say this one is in, I would call it pristine if it didn't have these teeny tiny, I mean, you can't even see them. I bet if you buffered them, they would be out. But on the sides, just the teeniest, tiniest show of wear. And if it didn't have that, this would be a pristine typewriter. The typing is amazing on it. And the fact that he's not going to let me keep it, I'm going to let you know, whoever gets it, I'm going to cry when it leaves because this is an amazing typewriter. So I'm going to take a photo of this, use the link in the description below to go check it out. You guys, this is awesome. And here, since I'm close, let me move this down and you can take a look at the keys. Love the round keys. Just so you know, there is a little bit of yellowing here and here, a tiny bit here, but I kind of like the little bit of yellowing. But the rest of them, there isn't any yellowing, just in the main keys. You guys, whoever gets this, you are so lucky. All right, have a great day. Thanks for watching.